How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, you saw the title and the thumbnail. It was not clickbait. I'm not sneaking you guys or anything. This is a true story. So before we get into this topic today, definitely be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe down below if you're new. If you've already been subscribed, make sure to click that little bell icon down there to actually turn on post notifications. It helps me out a lot as a smaller car channel here on YouTube that posts new content daily. And I really do appreciate all the support. You guys have no idea how much it really does mean to me. But anyways, without wasting any more time, today we're going to be looking at this short little car and driver article, which I will leave linked down in the description below in case there's any updates to this story, because this just seems so ridiculous. And also, whether or not like you just want to go ahead and read it yourself, because in today's video I'm just going to be looking at like the prices that were apparently reported by Car and Driver from this GM Hummer EV Facebook group or whatever the hell. But yeah, the cat's out of the bag. The taillights are actually on a Hummer EV and they cost a ridiculous amount of money. So actually, just looking at the basically beginning of this article, a member on a GMC Hummer EV Facebook group announced that they were quoted just over $4,000 for a passenger side taillight, not including the cost of labor. So that's before labor. And right here, this is the actual price for a replacement taillight alone, just for the part. And replacing a full set, it could cost around $7,000 after taxes and labor, depending upon the state or the dealership markup or whatever, which obviously a lot of dealerships are known to mark up a ridiculous amount to begin with when it comes to their percentages. Yeah, I'm at a loss for words. I know this is like a silly video and not what I normally do. I normally don't talk about taillights. I like to think that my videos contain a little bit more information in them, but let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. I just think this is absolutely freaking ridiculous. Now, I do know that, you know, the new Hummer EV is a six-figure electric Hummer that has a lot of really cool features, to be honest with you. Unfortunately, I have not been able to get my hands on one in real life to do a full route review and like drive it and everything, but I've seen them in person. I saw one, I believe, at an auto show or at some sort of event. I forgot which one, but I did actually see one in person and they look ridiculous. They look really, really awesome. And weighing in at like just over, I think, 9,600 pounds or something they weigh. Like they weigh almost like 10,000 pounds, but they also have like 1,000 horsepower. And again, it's electric, so you're getting all of that power instantaneously to all four wheels. They have like the crab walk feature and a bunch of different just really cool features. I think GMC did a great job with this Hummer. However, I think it's starting to get a little bit too crazy. I mean, with a taillight, like, don't get me wrong, the design of the Hummer EV taillight is pretty cool, and they do have like the little like Hummer logo engraved, I guess, in the taillight. And I don't know if this price is just something to do with a chip shortage or, you know, the materials that actually cost to make the part. Like maybe there's an issue with that or something. But yeah, for just over $3,000 for a single taillight is just crazy in my opinion. Like that's, it probably costs more than like Lamborghini or Ferrari taillights at that point, which, yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And also another thing that I feel like people aren't talking about, if it costs this much to replace the taillight on a Hummer EV, imagine some of the other more, I don't know, important, you know, features or whatever of it and aspects of the Hummer EV. Now, I do know that with the Hummer EV being, again, an electric vehicle, there are a lot less moving parts, so maybe, you know, you don't have to worry about some of the things that you'd have to be worried about with a regular internal combustion engine vehicle. But yeah, I'm at a loss for words. You could probably tell by the way that I'm talking right now. I'm just absolutely speechless. I don't understand how it can even cost that much, because again, just like looking at this picture that Car and Driver has as their thumbnail and the same picture that I'm gonna basically put as my thumbnail for this video, it's got the little Hummer EV logo in it. It's engraved and everything, which is cool and all, but I cannot fathom spending $3 grand on a single taillight for a GMC. Like, there's something that people don't understand too. Like, this is a GMC. Now, I do know that General Motors and Chevy, they're trying to get a little bit more high-end with the C8 Corvette, with the new Hummer EV. and some of the like their other models, like they're trying to like push the limit a little bit, and that's awesome. Like I'm all for that. They're an American manufacturer, so if they can start making more high quality, more expensive vehicles, that's great, right? You know, I feel like that would do wonders for their brand. But I don't know, I just don't think that it's worth it. Let me know down in the comments below if I'm wrong, if I'm mistaken, and also again, it will be linked down in the description if you want to check out this article yourself. Maybe by the time that I post this video, stuff's going to be changed, or there's going to be different aspects to the story that I'm not covering right now in this video. And also, again, if you're new to this channel, I typically don't do videos like this. I feel like this is a shorter, just like sillier video. But I saw this and I was in complete disbelief, so I just had to make a video about it and just kind of show you guys. But again, like I said before, definitely be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff really helps me out a ton. And I do appreciate all the support. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's video, click on either of these links right here to watch a similar video from this channel, or click on the little circle link right there to actually subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. I do appreciate all the support, but thank you for sticking to the end of this video, and I hope you have a fantastic day.